I started losing my hair around 19 years old. Well, I know a lot of people, when they start to lose their hair, they'll just shave it or cut it short. I tried it once, and that look, honestly, it just wasn't for me. I needed to get my hair back. Hans has been great. They didn't make me feel embarrassed or ashamed. We looked at what was happening and talked about what we could do about it. My look today is completely night and day. I mean, I was completely bald. Today I have all of my hair. Even when it started to get, worse at points, we were able to use the BioGraft procedure to correct that. My hair is blending perfectly. My side profile on pictures looks exactly the way that it should. So today I feel confident about my hair, and I think it's completely natural. They really tailored the hair loss solution just for me, and for years of trying many different things, I was really blown away with the results that I got at Hans. If I could do it all again, I would have called sooner. So if you're bothered by your hair loss, go to Hans.
Call Hans now to receive a complimentary hair care kit with your consultation.